Hello everybody, welcome to Yunlong vlog. Today I want to show you a Chinese factory which is dealing with fish export. You buy and you catch the fish from the sea and you pack them, you freeze them and you send to overseas to other countries to sell. Now they are dividing fishes. This is called stonefish. It's a tasty fish. Well, I don't know whether you have tasted them. You can have a try. They split the good fishes and they split the species, different species. This is the hair-tail fish. And it's Chinese, very popular in China. And it's expensive fish in China and it's tasty. This factory is built by sea, built beside the sea, and it's a beautiful scene to see. Every day you work here, you enjoy a good view of the fabulous scenes. Right there, you can see the big fishing boat. They go to sea, and they stay like for a few days and together to catch fish. This place is also a good place for tourism. If you have time, if you want to go to other countries, must try here. See, lots of fishing boats and lots of tourism boat. If you like my video, please subscribe.